Say hello to Swifty, a compact new CNC machine that gives you the power to cut metal in your garage, workshop, school or college. Available from just $2,995 including VAT, it's affordable, accessible and offers plenty of ways to pay for itself. Make money or save money on parts by manufacturing them yourself, or recreate the hard to find components you need for your project. Swifty's straightforward software can help you to craft metal signage, create metal sculptures, engineering components and even works of art. It's also a great choice for schools and colleges, giving educators the tools to teach CNC skills in the classroom. Swifty works with a range of power sources and benefits from a water tray which offers efficient fume control. This compact CNC machine is just 113 by 98 by 46 cm and weighs around 75 kg and has a cutting area of 61 by 61 cm. Despite its smaller size, Swifty has been engineered to the same standard as our larger machines and comes with the security of a 1-year warranty. Swifty caters for beginners and experts alike. Along with easy-to-use software, you'll get access to how-to videos, handy resources and online support to help you get the best from your machine. Visit swiftycnc.com to order your Swifty package and start planning your first project.